Hello and welcome to 2-9. Today we're doing multiplying by one-digit numbers. So that's where our second number, our second factor, will be a one-digit number. And we're going to do up to 1 by 3 or 3 by one-digit numbers, multiplying. So I would like you to pause the video and just kind of take a look at each step along the way, especially if this is something that's new or newer to you. This is really good for us to read through. It says step 1, we multiply the digits in the ones place and put our answer right at the bottom, just like if we were adding. Then step 2 is regroup to the tens place. So 5 times 9 is 45. So the tens, the 4 is going to go above the tens place. And then the 5 is going to come down here. And then the last step is we're going to multiply the digit in the tens place by the digit in the ones place. Add digit that was regrouped. So 2 times 9 is 18 plus 4 is 22. So then that goes there. So our answer of this would be 225. So anyways, please pause the video and get a good look at this so that you can really see where everything's going and get a better understanding of multiplying multi-digit numbers. So let's do a couple as an example. Alright, so here it says, Grace and her 3 friends each paid $38 for an admissions ticket to an amusement park. The total paid can be found by multiplying 4 and 38. So we have 4 groups of 38 because they each paid $38 for their tickets. Okay, so first I'm going to do 8 times 4 is 32. I don't know why 2's are always so hard for me to write on here. Alright, then 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 more is 15. Okay, remember we add what's on top. We don't multiply again, it's just like adding, we add that number back in. So the total they paid to get into the amusement park is $152. Let's try another example here. So this one says find 317 by 5. So our first step is if we were to estimate 300 times 5, which is good, so we know if we're getting a good answer or not. That's close to what we should be getting. 3 times 5 is 15. And then we need to put the 2 zeros in here. So 1,500. So our answer, once we multiply out, should be close to 1,500. So here we go. Let's multiply it out. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. So we got an answer of 1,585, which is really close to our estimate of 1,500. So then our answer is 1,585. Our estimate of 1,500 or 1,500 is very close to 1,585. This little wavy symbol here means about. Is about. Okay, so a lot of times we use that when we're comparing like decimals. So if it's a repeating decimal and the number goes on forever, ever, we could cut it off and we could say it is about this or whatever. So the wavy equal sign means about. So let's go to the next example here. Multiply 42 by 2, so our estimate would be 40 times 2, so we know we need to get about 80. I just multiplied 4 times 2 is 8, add in my 0, so let's check it. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, I get 84. Okay, and 80 is about 84, so that checks out. We're good to go. All right. So we have already practiced this a little bit in our class. I understand that you might feel really confident in it, which is great. It's a great skill that you really need to be confident in. And that's also why I just wanted to make a short little video on it so we can all be confident in multi-digit multiplication. Anyways, thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.